What's up, guys? Found some hot packs at the store. So we've got 4 packs of Donruss 2014, and then 1 hot pack of Bowman 2015, I believe. We'll open the baseball first. All right. First hit is Jersey Kings of Robbie Ross. Nice card here, numbered, the Elite Series. Henley Ramirez, 99 of 999. Next hit is Bat Kings of Devin Morasco. Third pack. Nothing in the top pack. Yep. They got me, not a hot pack. Nice decoy there. Good rookie card, George Springer. And yep, back-to-back decoys. So, I was wrong. Still got 2 hits. Oh. Still got a couple more cards on this one. Ooh, not really a hot pack, but still a really nice card. Got Josh Donaldson, numbered 41 of 80, die cut. Really, really nice card. And now the Bowman, last but not least. Jeff Hireman, Ohio State. Let's see if we got a hit here. And we sure do. Just a base jersey of Jimmy Garoppolo. Rookie jersey. Thanks for watching, guys. Not a bad couple packs. And they were all on clearance too. $2.99 a piece.